Good morning, everyone. In today's lecture, I will discuss the homework questions which I had given in discrete mathematics. The topic here is converse, inverse, and contrapositive of propositions or statements. So, this is a question which I had given in the homework. The question was state the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of following statements. Question number 2, part A. If triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, then mod AB square plus mod BC square is equal to AC square. So for that statement, given statement, a proposition, we have to write converse, inverse and contrapositive. So first of all, let P is equal to triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Q is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So the formula for converse is, for P implies Q, converse will be Q implies P. We will converse the sign. P implies Q will become Q implies P. So the value will be, if AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, then triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. The formula for inverse is not P implies not Q. So we will just put the not. So answer will be, if triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle, then similarly we will put not AB square plus BC square is not equal AC square. So here is the way to write not in this equation. We will just oppose the sign. AB square plus BC square is not equal to AC square. Next, contrapositive. The value for contrapositive is not Q implies not P. So answer will be, so if AB square plus BC square is not equal to AC square, then triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. This question is done. Now part 2. If the triangle is equiangular, then it is equilateral. So similarly, as we did part A, we will do part 2. Question number 2, part B also. Converse. Let P is equal to, the triangle is equiangular, Q is equal to, triangle is equilateral. So converse formula, as I told before it, converse means Q implies P. So answer will be, if the triangle is equilateral, then it is equiangular. Inverse, put not means not P implies not Q. So if the triangle, here the sign is of triangle. If that triangle, it means you can write triangle or make symbol of triangle. If the triangle is not equiangular, then it is not equilateral. Contrapositive, not Q implies not P. So if the triangle is not equilateral, then it is not equiangular. So this is the method of doing converse, inverse and contrapositive of propositions. Next, one more question which I had given in homework, but your answer was not correct. So here is the correct solution for that question. It is the question 5th B in mixed numericals. I had given the homework question number 5, and the part B of question number 5 is P by conditional not Q does not logically imply P implies Q. Here we have to show, the question is show P by conditional not Q. The question 5B is show P by conditional not Q does not logically imply P implies Q. So for that we can identify the question. Here is the question is of logical implication. So we must know the condition of logical implication before doing this question. First we will make the truth table. As we know how to make the truth table, there are two propositions. As for two propositions, there will be number of rows is equal to 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. So here is the table. P T T F F Q T F T F, not Q will be opposite of Q, F T F T, then P by conditional not Q. The condition of Y conditional is similar will be true. So F T T F, P implies Q, the condition of implies is T F F. So T F F T. So for logical implication, We will check P biconditional not Q true in which row. So we can say in truth table P implies not Q is true in row 2 and row 3 as well. Similarly, we will check the conclusion. P implies Q in row 2 and row 3. We can see in row 3 P implies not Q is true. Similarly, P implies Q is also true. But in row 2, P biconditional not Q is true, but P implies Q is false. Yes. So it means the given statement does not logically imply. So here same written here. So the answer is S condition does not satisfy. So answer will be P biconditional not Q does not logically imply P implies Q. Shown. That is the correct solution of homework. Okay, students, that's all for today. Next we'll do another class. It is the first unit. It is a topic of unit 1 of discrete mathematics. Okay, thank you.